We explore how to create stylized editorial tones. How to create stylized editorial tones. Open Photoshop and import your image, then convert the layer into a smart object so tonal edits remain adjustable throughout the workflow. Begin with a curves adjustment and create a gentle S-curve to establish refined contrast that mirrors magazine-grade photography. Next, add a color balance layer and subtly push midtones toward a fashionable tint, such as soft magenta or teal, depending on the mood you want, keeping changes minimal so tones look intentional rather than exaggerated.